Hello everyone. Today I have watched a video, a story from YouTube. There was a boy whose name was Sahil. He was very keen to study. When he was 10 years old, his father passed away. He has a sister. He has a young sister, and his mother was sick. So a huge responsibility fell on it. He picked the scrub everywhere and he used he used to pick the scrub everywhere and he would sell the scrub and he earned money and then he run his family. Uh, Next day uh, he collect the scrub and sells, and he went to sell the scrub on the shop and said to shop owners, "Uncle, I had sell I I had sell my scrub yesterday and some money have have some money are you have, and I have opened a bank account, so give me all money I brought some scrubs which I want to sell today, and yesterday rest rest of money which was you have, so give me today my all amount on my account." So uncle asked, "Have you opened a bank account?" So he said, "Yes, I have opened bank account today." So uncle asked, you know how to write and how to read?" So he said, "Actually, I don't know too much, but I have some knowledge of writing and reading." So uncle asked to Sahil, uh, "You are a child, so study. You should study at this age." So he said, "Actually, uncle, my father has passed away and I have to run my family. That's why I don't have extra time for reads, but I want to study." So uncle said, "How do you manage?" So Sahil said, "I will try to manage both. I will run my family also and I will study also." When he was returning to home, then he saw police officers. Everyone uh, salute him. He also stand stood here and seeing him. Why everyone is saluting her? He saw his uniform. Man was uh, there was a man who is an IPS officer. He saw he tried to watch the he tried to watch the tag of IPS officers, and he saw uh, His, on the tag is written IPS officer. He read uh, quietly, and when officers leave from there, then her wife uh, her wife also seeing notice to Sahil's after leaving the IPS officers. He called to Sahil and asked, "Why are you seeing my husband?" He saw, "Actually, ma'am, my dad want to become and my dad want to become me as an officer. That's why I was watching him. I was seeing him." So he said, uh, a scrapman also have dream IPS officers. So he said, "Actually, ma'am, I my father passed away. That's why I have to run my family, and I took the responsibility of my family. That's why uh, I am I am selling a scrub on shop, but I also want to study." So his wife asked, uh, "Do you go to do you do you go to a school?" So he said, "No, ma'am, I don't have money go for schools." So he said, mm, "To become an IPS officer, people have to work very people have to very hard work. So can you do this?" So he said, "Yes, ma'am, I, I will do, and I will become an IS officer one day." So he said, so she said, "Okay, so uh, if I will offer you to go to school, so can you go?" So he said, "Yes, ma'am, I will go a school, a schools." Then she said, "Okay, you don't worry. I will manage your school fee. You go every day schools, and after after back to school, you do your scrub works." Then boy said, "Okay." Then uh, officer's wife admission uh, get the admission in schools of that boy. He start his schools, and after that he do his scrap work. uh, in this way he passed 12th, and he got uh, good marks in the 12th with first class, first divisions. uh, and then officer's wife was very happy to see this, and he called to Sahis and said, "Let's go to restaurant." When they reached at restaurants, then restaurant manager saw the Sahil's cloth outfit and said, "Hey, beggar, how dare you enter in this restaurant? Go outside." Then Sahil said, "Why are you talking? Why are you behaving like this?" Uh, because we are poor. So he said, me don't talk with me, go outside. So officers ma'am asked to manager, why are you behaving like this? These are with me, don't behave like this. But restaurant managers don't listen her, and uh, and come back they come out from the restaurants, and Sahil said, uh, today you have insulted us. See, one day you will salute me. And he returned to home, and uh, he he tried to he worked hard, and he started preparing for IPS officers, and he worked very hard, and he passed the IPS exams. And saw when when he saw her result, he couldn't believe on itself, and he told to officer's wife. They and his mothers also, they got very happy, and they went to same restaurant where restaurant manager insulted them, and to see the an IS officers, restaurant manager salute him, and said, uh, take a seat, sir. So Sahil said, asked to manager, I think you don't recognize us. I am the same boy who you have insulted. And see, today I have become a IS officer. Then you are offering me a seat in a restaurant. Never, uh, moral of a story: never insult anyone to see their cloth or colors. Uh, uh, People's time was bad, not the people are not bad, people times are bad. That was my story, which I have listened, which I have which I watched from YouTube. Thank you for listening me.